Guys, I hope that you're doing okay. Guys, I don't know who Colleen Hoover thought she was fooling, because I'm gonna let you guys listen, but I wanted just say what I had to say before I let you guys listen. So this woman thinks she's so smart that she can just try and do promotion of her merch. And it's so funny, the story that she came up with. She decided to come up on Instagram story, guys, after making those stupid ice cubes. I'm sorry. She's just irritates me. I'm sorry, guys. So after making those stupid cubes that she's making there, you guys are gonna hear her own explanation what she does with those cubes. But me, I'm just here to come and just tell you guys how she thinks like she's slick. Okay, she's gonna do a second story where she's gonna say how her boss hates her. You know, her boss just puts all her merch on sale, $10, yet she bought those merch 4 times more than what her boss is putting on sales. And then she add, oh, even though you hate me, please just go get it because those merch are very good, something like that. You guys gonna hear the whole video later. Some people thought, oh, maybe she was crashing out because she looked so weird. She looks and sounded so like somebody who has, put some things in that drink. I'm sorry, allegedly. So my take is she's basically wanted just people to go and buy those merches of hers. So she pretended like she's having this little sad, little drunk face, and also this cooked up story about her boss, being mean to her. I mean, all of it is just for her to sell those merch. So I think and then she added one more thing, like, oh, I think TMZ is right about me letting go of my stuff. I'm gonna let you guys listen to the whole video from the beginning till to where she's lying about those sales, merches of hers. Please, guys, let me know under the comment if you found it was just Pepsi that she was drinking, because guys, she sounded so like she has put something in that cup. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna let you guys to listen to the whole thing now.
Rock bottom for me, or the best thing that's ever come out of my brain. Look at this. I poured Diet Pepsi into my ice cubes so that I will have the best Diet Pepsi I've ever had in my life. I'll let you know how it goes. So far, it looks pretty disgusting. I have hope. Here we go. Do you think other people do this? We put water in our water. Do y'all put wine in your wine? I guess you don't drink wine with ice cubes, though. I'll do anything not to drink coffee. It tastes just like every other Diet Pepsi I've ever had. But I guess the kicker is, in 2 hours, when this ice starts to melt, will it be the best thing I've ever had? Probably. It's gonna be a great day. To Cohort like 5 minutes ago when I ended the last video with "It's gonna be a great day." Well, then I went into Cohorts, which is my Facebook group, and saw that my boss Stephanie put all of my merch on sale for $10 an item. That's like 5 times cheaper than what I paid for each item, which means by the end of the day today, I'm going to be broke as shit. Thanks, Stephanie. You better be careful because maybe TMZ was right. Maybe I am firing all my employees and retiring. Well, I can't retire now because now I'm going to be in the hole by 5 p.m. Even if you hate me, you should go buy a piece because it's a very kind of bad thing. At least I have my Diet Pepsi. It's still going to be a great day because you guys get almost free merch. Congrats.
Did you guys catch that? She's telling us congrats. Did we win something? Did we win like a jackpot of that, of her merch that she's telling us congrats? And guys, did you also catch when she tried to plug her Facebook group? So she's really enjoying this moment to do promotion of her Facebook group, of her merches, because she knows like this issue is, viral. Everyone is, trying to know about it more, how the lawsuit of Justin Baldoni is gonna, what end is it gonna bring and all that. So she's using this moment to behave like this and try to make herself so relevant, and especially shamelessly, plugging her Facebook group. Guys, I don't want to sing alone. Can you guys tell me, don't you think that there's something else in that cap? Because the way she's behaving, it's like somebody has put something in there. Guys, I'm I'm sure I'm gonna let it play one more time and you guys are gonna tell me down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Ciao ciao.
Rock bottom for me, or the best thing that's ever come out of my brain. Look at this. I poured Diet Pepsi into my ice cubes so that I will have the best Diet Pepsi I've ever had in my life. I'll let you know how it goes. So far, it looks pretty disgusting. I have hope. Here we go. Do you think other people do this? We put water in our water. Do y'all put wine in your wine? I guess you don't drink wine with ice cubes, though. I'll do anything not to drink coffee. It tastes just like every other Diet Pepsi I've ever had. But I guess the kicker is, in 2 hours, when this ice starts to melt, will it be the best thing I've ever had?